Tonight, groundbreaking research revealing endangered chimpanzees engaging in what looks like a kind of forced first aid with chimps outside of their own social groups. Researchers in the Budongo forest of Uganda watching as the chimps, which share almost 99% of their DNA with humans, cared for injuries, in some instances chewing up leaves to apply wounds, in others using their own saliva.
Licking a wound.
Their techniques worked. Several of these species are known to exhibit antibacterial, antifungal, anti-inflammatory, and other medical properties, and have been used by people.
So he's licking a leaf and then licking his.
The most striking finding, the primates caring for the wounds of other chimps that they were not closely related to.
That's a rare behavior, and it's interesting because it could come at a potential cost to the individual that's doing the behavior to help treat another individual. It's something that we think about a lot in human societies, but maybe not as much in animals.
The study, conducted in 2021 and published this week in the Frontiers in Ecology and Evolution journal, adding to growing research that suggests primates are practicing in first aid. A 2024 study out of Indonesia found orangutans used leaves and sap to make a paste and applied it to an injury, resulting in a speedy recovery. These new images of the Budongo chimps adding decades of research, finding pro-social and cooperative tendencies among similar species.
You definitely get the feeling that there is empathy within the group. We see it in not just these types of self-medicating behaviors, but they will do things like adopt an individual that's lost their mother, or help babysit an individual whose mother might be, under the weather or injured at the time.
Incredible video. Steve Patterson joins us tonight from LA. So Steve, what more did they learn, and how can this research help us in better understanding primates?
Tom, Dr. Stawinski in that piece says seeing these behaviors opens up a whole new trove of questions, like how do they acquire the behaviors? Are they being socially transmitted, or did one just simply figure it out by luck? How does the relationship between the chimps affect what degree of help is offered? This study providing further evidence that these traits and maybe one more quality we share with our primate cousins. Tom?
Yeah, fascinating. Steve, we thank you for bringing us that story.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app, or follow us on social media.